Welcome to Goyum Group.
Okay, thank you. My name is Obeida Zarrouk. I'm now working as technical advisor for some edible oil companies in Sudan. I'm working, my experience is in processing edible oil, soaps, detergents, and water treatment. This is my experience. This is about 35 years long experience. Okay, this is about 20 years I know Goyum. First I know Mr. Vinod Jain in Asfok. Asfok is the Arab Sudanese vegetable oil company. That time we start with Goyum by making some parts for the oil mill gearbox, the main gearbox of the oil mill. The oil mill is roast down oil mill, and they supply us spare parts for this gearbox. Then later I know Goyum. Actually, I know the machineries of Goyum in many companies, oil mills. I know all the oil mills. But I know Goyum is doing other things, refineries, the treatment of lube oil, and now biscuit also. So every year, what I see, every year Goyum is doing a new technology. I'm very happy with the oil food recovery system, which is introduced in the new oil mill of Goyum. This is because now labor is a big problem in Sudan. So this is taking a very big effort and making less cost of operational cost. Thanks to Goyum. Okay, because in the oil mill, they have done very good, but I think better for Sudan, Goyum to go for the seeds treatment. That I mean, to get the hand-picked selected groundnuts, peanuts, from the oil mill stock. I mean the hand-picked selected, because this is now a very good business in Sudan. And the hulling of the groundnut, and also for the hulling of sunflower. This is very important because it will make the seeds in a better way, and the crude oil coming out of the oil mill will be less in the wax content. Very important. I hope Goyum to go to this, and I'm sure they can do it. Now Goyum is reliable, and now Goyum is widespread in Sudan. I think it is the fairest one in the Sudan market of oil crushing. So I hope they find Goyum reliable, they find sustainable, because they have an office here in Khartoum, in Durman actually, and this office is offering the technical, they are giving the spare parts, they are giving after sales. This is the best Goyum have done for the last year. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.